Hi, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to jump on today with a couple of reminders. Next Saturday, the 23rd of October, we have a special Christmas card class, the Whimsy and Wonder Suite. There is still space available for in-person or to go, but I need your RSVP and prepayment very quickly. Your fee is $30 for this class. That includes a goodie bag worth at least $20. That will be the products and supplies that you will use to make your cards. You will need the whimsical trees, the whimsical stamp set. The die cutting will be done for you, and you can use the template that I will provide and a stamparatus in order to stamp the trees and such that you're going to stamp. And if you would like me to add on either the stamp set or the bundle with your kit, then please let me know as soon as possible. I think I've sent details in the email as far as what that cost would be, and I will try to remember to post it in the comments here as well. So, what are our cards? I'm going to give you a few sneak peeks, and if you've been watching, I've been working a lot with this suite, and I'm going to do some more. In fact, we won't have any extra cards that we make, but there will be plenty of samples shown to you that you can then go on and repeat, make some additional cards with your leftover products and adding on some of the things that you have at home too. So this is one of our cards, and the light is okay. I've got a horrible little glare there. Okay, so the tree is stamped in Blushing Bride, and then this greeting is stamped in Misty Moonlight. This, I believe, was a case from Lisa Hardy. So, love it. This one is straight out of the catalog. And how cool is this? I've used some shimmer crystal effects on these little ornaments, the stars and the ornaments that are on the two trees. So pretty fun there. And this little embellishment here, that's just the ribbon, that Blushing Bride ribbon frayed. So really fun, different sized card for you here. And that is in the catalog. I think it's page 25. You'll find this suite. Let me just find it. Yes. So here you go. Here's the card that I just showed you. And I have to admit, I think I've got this figured out, and I want to try my hand at that and teach you how to do that. And then I haven't even played with the ornaments yet. I want to do that. And then these trees, I haven't really done very much with that as well. So I still have playing to do with this, and I know you do as well. So this is next Saturday, the 23rd, in person at 2 o'clock. Packets will be ready first part of the week to go out in the mail to anybody that needs to receive them in the mail. And this is card number 3. And this tree is stamped in Polished Pink and Mossy Meadow. And I've used a little bit of that dazzling paper that was a celebration item, and will include a sheet of that in your goodie bag. Oh. And this one is card number 4. I don't have a favorite. I love all the patterns in this paper, and so I can't pick a favorite. I just can't. So those are the 4 cards that we are going to be making in class. But like I said, I've got other samples to share with you, and we'll be making more because I just can't stop. I love them so much. And if you would like to participate in this class, either to go or in person, let me know, and I will make sure that there is a space reserved for you. You may comment and let me know, or text me, reach out by whatever method. Carrier pigeon I don't recommend, but any other method will do. And like I said, I've been making a lot of cards with this. I love it. I love it. I really do. So, all right, that's the 23rd. and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.